Hey guys, Cam here from PhoneDog.com, and if there's one thing we don't have enough of in the Android Google Play Store, it's third-party launchers. That's not true. There are millions. But I wanted to look at one particular launcher that's recently been released by Nokia. It's the Nokia Z Launcher, or Nokia Z Launcher. It's available now to download for free from the Play Store. And the reason I wanted to show it off is because it's quite a lot different to anything else I've personally used. And strangely, despite its minimalism, I really like it. Of course, when you download it, you have to set it up as your default home screen. So you go into your settings, into your home settings, and then you choose Nokia Z Launcher, and then that is your default launcher. The first thing you're going to notice when you use it is you'll go through a tutorial, and it'll show you how to use it, and it's very simple. Instead of typing on a keyboard or swiping through screens to get to different home screens and widgets and apps, you search for what you want by scribbling on the screen. You basically write letters with your finger. And from personal use, it doesn't really seem to matter how accurate you are. You don't have to learn a specific way of writing letters. It's generally pretty good. And it doesn't seem to matter either whether you're holding the phone straight or at an angle. It kind of adjusts to how you're holding it, and it knows what you're typing. In most cases, it's very accurate. When you're scribbling, it will search for apps, it will search for contacts, and if there's nothing on your phone matching what you're trying to find, it will search on the web. You can search for virtually anything that's on your phone, and you can search for anything that's on the web. And the launcher basically has two screens. One of them is your home screen, and this is where it shows your most used apps. As you use it more and more, it learns which apps you use the most, and it places them in order from top to bottom depending on how much you use those particular programs. So all the stuff that you use the most will eventually find its way there. For the stuff that you use very seldom, you can find them anyway by going into the app list. You hit the list icon on the bottom dock, and then you can scroll up and down through them like you can with virtually any list on any phone. And if you want to do it quickly, you can just grab the scrolling wheel on the right-hand side and just scroll through that really quickly. On the app list screen, you've got two other icons in the top right-hand corner. You've got the Play Store icon and the settings icon, and the settings icon will take you to the settings for the launcher itself. Now, as with many user interfaces and platforms, whether it's iOS or Android, you do have a dock as well, so you can place your favorite apps on the bottom row. There's space for 4 of them. Selecting what goes there is pretty simple. You can select from the home screen list, search for apps using the scribble function, and you can drag and drop them onto the dock, replacing whatever's already there. And here's what I really like about the Z Launcher. It makes everything quicker. It makes using Android a lot more productive. And yes, some of you who like your widgets and your screens full of icons where you want them won't particularly like it. But what I do like about it is it makes finding and using apps really quick. There was no lag, everything is super fast, it's productive. I can have everything where I want it to be, and if I don't know where it is, I can just look for it from the home screen. I don't have to go and find another way of searching, it's right there. It's basically stripped everything away that's unnecessary and given us a really quick and easy and intuitive way of finding the stuff that we want. I think it's rather brilliant. I'm at PhoneDog_Cam on Twitter. If you want to ask me any questions, you can do it on there, or use the comments down below and I'll get to them as and when I have a free minute. There's a link for the launcher in the description box, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel if you do like it. Goodbye. You want the microphone? You want the microphone? You want this? I was just about to start filming and you woke up. Yeah, you did. Yeah. High five. High five. High five.